All right, so here we are, last week of the semester. There isn't really much to say, but I did want to post one last video before we're all finished for the term. The final exam is scheduled for this Thursday, April 15th, and this means two main things. One is that the final quiz will be on Thursday. It's the same format as all the other quizzes with a couple of main differences. First, it's officially part of the final exam, and because of this, the time limit is 3 hours instead of 1 hour. And the other thing is that most of the previous quizzes have covered two modules each, but we've only covered one module since the previous quiz. So this one will mostly be about the chapter on historical linguistics. I do also plan to have one or two questions to capture general themes we've encountered throughout the semester, such as markedness. Okay, so that's the last quiz. The other part is the final paper. That's the connections assignment that you've all been working on. It's been really fascinating already, just seeing the different resources you've all come up with. And I really look forward to marking the paper. It's due by midnight on Thursday evening, so same day as the quiz. Thursday is also the regular scheduled day of our tutorial session. I am going to be in the Zoom room for that same time, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock or so. Because that last quiz will still be open, I'm not going to cover any of the material from it. I don't want to unfairly advantage or disadvantage people depending on when they take the quiz. Instead, there'll be two main things in the tutorial. One is answering any last-minute questions about the written assignment, that final paper, and the other is hanging out with my dog. He showed up last week, and that went over quite well. Although he showed up late, so missed most of the people. But he'll be there if you want to just see a dog, part of the sort of final exam, de-stress in the middle of all the other stuff that's going on. You can show up. I don't know how long he'll be able to sit still and hang out with us for, but you can do that. So yeah, if either of that, talking about the final, the written paper or meeting the dog, if either of those appeal to you, come along. If not, don't worry about it. I hope the finals period treats you as well as a finals period can treat you. And yeah, best wishes.